Hello everyone, it's nice to see you all again after a long time, and this video I would like to explain on newborn care. That means how to take care of the newborn once they are born in this world. We need to understand that if the baby is having 2.5 kilo of weight, means the baby is a normal healthy baby. We can take care of this baby as a normal baby whomever we had taken care till much time. So we need to understand 2.5 kilo is a good weight for a baby to have when the baby is born. So every mother have a dream about the baby should look like this, look like that, but we need to understand that, and our hereditary play an important role how the baby look like. So however the baby looks like, if the baby doesn't have any kind of sickness or illness, that itself is a God's blessing to have us. Next point I would like to discuss on newborn care is to manage the temperature of the baby, or to avoid heat loss of a baby. For that we need to mummify the baby, or we need to cover the baby so that the heat loss will not happen in a newborn baby. If we are covering from head to toe with a cloth, usually we use cotton cloth, which is very good for baby skin. A washed cotton cloth will be used to wrap the baby from head to toe. If the head cannot be covered, what we can use is caps can be used, and mittens for the hands, and the boots or socks for the legs can be used, so that no heat will be lost from baby's body. The second point, we need to understand that the breastfeeding of the baby, or giving the nutrition to the baby, that part we already discussed in last session. Along with breastfeeding, I would like to mention about bottle feeding. Actually, bottle feeding is not advisable by any medical professionals, thinking of the adverse effect that can cause because of bottle feeding the baby. But if the mother is not having the adequate milk, always they advise to go with a water spoon method, but for convenience people go with the bottle, and media or everything is advertised bottle feeding very much. If you're using a bottle feeding, what you need to understand that the hygienic practices of the mother, the caretakers, are very important, because unless if it is not done in a proper hygienic way, the baby will end up in diarrheal disorders, which is another life-threatening condition for a newborn baby. So we need to understand that the bottles to be used only one time for filling the milk. If the baby is not drinking, discard the milk, wash the bottle, nipple and the cap separately. Baby should have a separate soap dish and a scrubber to clean, and once it is clean, you need to separate all these things and boil it for 10 minutes. And once the boiling started, keep it boiling for another 10 minutes, and then cool and take the bottle for further use. The next point is, once you bottle feed the baby also, burping is very important, because there is high chance for bottle feed baby to have a colicky stomach pain, so that burp the baby for 20 minutes. So this point we should be very much aware about if you are bottle feed the baby. The next point we need to understand is the skin to skin care that we can give. In other terms, we can talk about kangaroo mother care. Have you seen kangaroos, how they keep the babies in their tummy pouch and walk around? The same way we can actually keep our baby on the chest. The naked chest of the baby will be kept on the naked chest of the mother or the father, and wrap the baby with a cloth, so that no heat will be lost from the baby's body. So this is very good for increasing the weight gain of a baby. So I would really recommend to have a skin to skin contact or a kangaroo mother care for the baby, so that the weight gain and the bonding of the mother and the child will increase, or bonding between the father and the baby will increase. And what do you do? Consider that a babe, even though it's a baby, it is not a miniature human being. It is a personality, or the baby has a personality that needs to be well addressed, and we need to talk to them. Another important aspect of a newborn care is giving bath to the baby, and the oil massage. We need to understand that in previous times, or whenever we are going to a mother's place, the mother is very much into finding a person who can massage the mother and the baby and give adequate care to the baby. But I would say there is no need. I wouldn't say it is no need. It is not mandatory that you need to have a body massage for the mother and the baby. Both my twin babies did not get a massage from an expert. I only massaged the baby, and I was not massaged by everyone because I did not get time to have relaxation at that time. My both babies were in an ICU, and as I already mentioned, my Enoch was in a life-threatening condition. I was not mentally stable to relax at those times. But now I understood that since I did not relax those days, I can really talk to anyone that there is no need of so much of care by having in an expensive affair is not needed after a baby is born. And if you see, the purpose of massaging the body of a baby is to increase the blood circulation, thereby increasing the muscle tone. That massage we can also give. As a mother, you can also massage the baby so that the massage will taken care of the blood circulation, and the tonicity of the muscles will be increased. So that part is also covered. The next point is, while giving birth, some of our grandmothers or the caretakers put oil in the ear, nose and all. Please do not do all those things. Do not put oil in any of the orifices. Not only oil, nothing on any of the orifices of the body of a baby. Next point we need to understand is the diaper care. The diaper care, we need to understand that you can use diaper or nappies, whatever you are using. Remove it as soon as when the baby passes urine. Once the baby passes urine, either you can wipe with cotton dipped in water, or you can use any wet wipes, dry the area, put powder, then put the diaper. The next thing is, we always notice the skin of the baby. Is there any rash or the redness of the skin? If that is there, avoid using diaper for a day or two, because that will vanish immediately if you don't use a diaper. But if you use a diaper again, that become a rash which is difficult to manage. So we need to understand that always check for any redness on the perineal area if you are using diaper or any of the nappies. Then the other point what we need to discuss is, throughout the period, if we are taking care of a newborn, we can understand that night time is a difficult time to take care of a newborn. For that, actually, my babies initially were not sleeping. Actually, I and Jones did not sleep throughout the newborn period of my babies, because we both were busy in second half feeding for both babies with Vati spoon. So the thing is, one baby is done maybe with a 20 minutes feeding, another 20 minutes is burping time, so 40 minutes. So 40 minutes, after 40 minutes we have the next baby to take care, or one thing or other, sterilization of this Vati spoon is there. So it really compromise our sleeps on those days, but thank God we moved out from that time. But one thing my Jones discovered is, Jones always put off the light by 7 o'clock. So what happened, the kids, that the newborns started having a sleeping pattern by 7 o'clock. From that we understood light plays an important role. We need to understand that we need to actually we need to be in a good pattern before the kids have been taken care. By 7 o'clock Jones put off the light, so the kids knew from the newborn period, first 28 days of a baby's run as newborn period. Within a 10th day, the baby has been come to our house from the hospital. They learn how to sleep when the light is off. That is one thing. Then the next point in the night management is, baby usually cries for mainly three things. One thing, either they may be hungry, or the second thing, they pass urine, so you need to remove the diaper or the nappy what the child is having. The third thing is, the child may have a colic pain on the abdomen. So first two things fail. What you need to do is burp the baby for 20 minutes, and you can sing some songs or have some prayers so that the baby can be pacified. Understand, the voice of the mother is well known to the baby for last 9 months. So they are very accustomed to the voice what is there of mother and the songs what the mother is going to sing. So that way you can manage the child. So hope this session is adequate enough to take care of a newborn baby at home. See you in next session with new topics. Thank you everyone. If you like the video, please subscribe it and share it. And if you want me to improve in any ways, please let me know. I value the comments. I may be slow to reply because I'm working. I'm working from 9 to 6 o'clock. After coming back, taking care of the house, taking care of my children, really doesn't give me much time. So please understand and help me out with new topics. If I got some of the recommendations, what are the next topics to be taken, so you can also help me with the new topics, what you want to know in parenting, or what you want to know as a mother, father, how you can improve yourself. Thank you everyone. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
How are you?
How are you? Fine. Now we're going to do study. Now we're going to do practice. We're going to do practice. I'm going to do practice. Now we're going to do one. Now
What book?
we're going to do study.
What study?
To do your book.
My book? Okay, which book?
All you study book.
Okay.
All guys, now I'm studying. Now
Then you also need to study.
you do study. Okay then. For you sit down. Right. Now we got to study. Now you have to get your book. Now you just study to mama book.
Okay. What?
Then
Uh,
we used to study. We used to study. I used to study. He used to study. Mama used to study.
okay, now what you want to say now to them? Kidu, what you want to say? Say hello everybody. I'm going to sleep with her. Say. Say. Say I'm going to sleep.
Guys, now we're going to sleep. Now we're going to study the mama book. Now we're going to study the mama book. Now we
Are going
Going
to study
study
Mama book.
mama book.
Say good night and go then.
Good
Bye.
night. Bye.
See ya.
See ya.
Say love you everyone.
I love you, Oliver. Mwah.
You want to say something?
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello, everyone.
Uh,
Hello, everyone.
say I'm Keith. We are going to sleep. Mm.
That is Papa. This is Mama.